Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can find the emails of your leads, which is actually perfect if you want to send cold emails. So you will see how to find emails in bulk, what is a Waterfall enrichment tool, and how it can help you to find more leads. Then how to find emails in bulk directly from LinkedIn, and finally what results you can expect when you enrich your data. So you see, we have a lot to cover, so let's start. Alright, so if you are like me and you have a list of leads like this one, so here for example I have a bit more than 400 leads with some informations. So I have the first name, last name, company name, and the website. But you see here that I don't have the email addresses of these people. So if you want to find the email addresses of these people, what you can do is to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then you click here on Start for Free and you create a free account. And then once you have your account, you just need to click here on Enrich Contacts. And here you see that you can upload a CSV or an Excel file. So let's click on Upload. So it's this Excel file. We click on Open. And now what we need to do is to map some fields. So first name with first name, last name with last name, company, and company domain with website. And then we click on Enrich. And now we just need to wait a little bit. All right, so here you see that the enrichment is currently running. All right, so my enrichment is done, and you see that we have 85% of emails found. We have some risky emails. So basically these emails are catch-all emails, and we have 10% of not found. Now let's open this file. So this is my list of leads, and this time you see that I have a column email with a lot of emails, and here I have the status, so verified, probable, or not found for some people. So this is an easy way to find the emails in bulk of your leads. So when you use GiveMeLeads, you use what we call a Waterfall enrichment finder tool. So instead of relying on just one email finder, we call multiple email finder tools. For example, Apollo, Job Contact, and so on. And when you use a tool like GiveMeLeads, you have more emails because we don't rely on just one email finder tool, but we call multiple email finder tools. Now let's have a look at the results you can expect. So when you use a basic email finder tool, you will find between 30 to 70% of emails. But now if you use a Waterfall enrichment tool, like GiveMeLeads for example, you get more emails, so between 60 to 90% of emails found. Now, quick disclaimer, you will face lower rates if you target small businesses and freelancers, people who are not digital native, so for example, local stores, gyms, landscaping companies, and brick and mortar businesses, and of course, companies based in developing countries. So when you target these people, even if you use a Waterfall enrichment tool, you will get lower results. So for example, between 20 to 50% of emails found. Now, on top of that, if you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can easily export leads with GiveMeLeads and get the emails of these people. So here, for example, I've made a search where I want to target people who are Chief Revenue Officer in the US. And now to export these people, you can click on this button, Extract Leads from GiveMeLeads. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say for this tutorial, 100. And just below, you can say that you want the emails of these people. And here we use multiple email finder tools to give you more emails. Then we click on Export Leads. And now you see the export is currently running. So we target Chief Revenue Officer in the US. And now I just need to wait a little bit. All right, so after 2 minutes, the export is done. So let's click on Download XLSX. So here is my list of 100 leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And on top, you see that you have all the information you need, like the first name, last name, a LinkedIn URL. So perfect if you want to send LinkedIn messages. And as I told you, you have the emails in bulk of these people. And then you have much more information like the job title, location, you have the company name, company website, company location, company industry, and so on. So if you want to find the emails in bulk of your leads, you can try for free GiveMeLeads. And so for that, you can go on givemeleads.io or you have a link in the description. And now, if you want to see in details how to use a LinkedIn Sales Navigator to identify decision makers, I've made a complete tutorial on this tool. And if you want to check this video, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.